I am going to teach you a fruit salad with a difference. That this is served in a square, wooden square, which you can call it as fruit kebab also, which is very simple, at the same time very tasty. Now let us see the ingredients. Apple 1, banana 1 or 2, watermelon, honey, little salt, 1 tablespoon of orange juice, dry celery little, dried basil 1 or 2 pinches, coarsely crushed cumin and pepper, little roasted sesame seeds, wooden squares. Cut the apple. If it is wax coated apple, you have to remove the skin. Slice it into medium size chunks. Remove the skin. Orange juice, just to prevent the browning of this, coat lightly. Peel and slice the banana. You can use the fruits whichever you have by altering the colors if you have, like melon, musk melon, or if you have honeydew melon, you can use that. Now here I have apple, I have banana, and this is watermelon. You can use it convenient size. Generally we eat salad with a little chaat masala or by adding sugar or honey or whatever it is, but here this is little spicy, at the same time little sweetish taste, which will have a completely different taste. You can serve it even as an appetizer when your guests come. This is honey, which gives a glaze to this. Just a pinch of salt, don't add more. This pepper and cumin powder, very little, and here I am using parsley and basil. You can use whatever herbs you have for a taste. Now coat this with the apple. And take this out. We have to create separately each and every fruit, so that it will be easier for you to keep it in the square. This is banana. It will give a glaze to this. Coat this also gently. Take a wooden square like this. Now alternate this according to the color of the fruit. Add little roasted sesame on top so that it sticks to that. And your fruit kebab is ready. Fruit salad with a difference. There is fruit kebab. It is very easy to prepare, very tasty. At the same time, it's very healthy too, because we are not adding any sugar. Because when you add sugar in any of these natural ingredients like fruits and other things, the sugar is called as thief of vitamin. It takes in especially B vitamins which is in the food, so that it will not be available for the body. But when you avoid using sugar and add little honey, and these are some spices, it's very tasty. At the same time, you can create very innovative dishes like this using some chaat masala and other herbs and lots of other things. I have just given you a hint so that you can try different varieties using this same concept.